Sorry, y'all. That kind of cut off. But yeah, there's the two geese over there. So I guess it's gonna be 2 videos. For Friday, March 12th, that is. Oh, and there's ducks over there. Oh, monkeys. Oh, this is interesting. This wasn't here before. Let's check it out. Oh, for woodpeckers, I'm guessing. Okay, let's head in here. Yeah, there's 2 over there. No. They're scaring off the 2 ducks. There's a goose right there, too. There's the 2 ducks again. Oh, wait, there was 3. Because there's one right there. So yeah, they definitely got nests over here. Okay, where are you at? At there. There's another one right there. They seem to be talking to the pair over there. That one. Oh! Just beyond that there one. Straight ahead. See the movement? That's another goose. Oh, 2 are coming this way from that direction as well. There's one. So he's spotted. Here's the other. There's a pair. Let's see. Where's that? Okay, you see where that there goose is? Straight above, there's a pair kind of hidden by the branches. Too bad none of them decided to make a nest over here. That would have been cool to see up close. But yeah, like, there's still some ice floating on the marsh. Let's see if I can get a better view of those two. Okay, so there's the opening there. So, yep, right there. Kind of the middle of the screen now. Like, right. Let's see if I can get my finger in. Right there. Let's appear right there. And then there's a pair along this here somewhere. So that's at least 3 pairs. Oh! That one won't fly. It's gonna... Oh. Little fight. Let's zoom out. See if we can get better view. This one right over there. Still. Those two are at it with the pair that's over there. Oh, there's a pair way back there. Must be, because I saw one flying over there. And they're going off like an alarm. Oh, like that they're coming this way. So there's at least 4 pairs of geese, possibly 1 pair of ducks as well in this area. Oh, there goes that. So I'm thinking maybe 5 pairs of geese in this area. So those two are staring over there. There's geese fighting in there, that area. Oh, the one looks like it might be trying to sneak up on another over there. Oh, they're both in chat. Let's see what happens. Yeah, the one went over there and it's now walking on land. Oh. Looks like Mom has decided to move. There's actually quite a few more ducks than I originally saw. They were hiding further back in the marsh. Oh, the duo that's from over there is actually going further back in. I think they're arguing with a pair back there. But if they're trying to do a sneak attack on the pair over there, then I don't think they're doing very well on that. Because they weren't being very quiet. But yeah. I just realized I'm leaning all over this. Well, let's take a look at the inside of this, I guess. It's been a while. And I just realized my wings are down. Dragging all over the place. Oh. The bee's hive is still there. Hopefully I don't disturb it too much with my coming and going. Oh! Neat. That wasn't here before. The wood's leaking. Oh, I just heard one go flying and land. Here come two ducks. Anyways, I think that's enough geese for one day. I'll definitely be sure to come back here to take and record more for them. But yeah. Let's zoom back out. Okay. And put you back on autofocus. There. because that was about almost exactly 15 minutes worth of just geese. So, yeah. Oh. Oh, squirrel. Man, there's the white rock. Quit snagging me. Sheesh. There's a lot of thorns in here. This here exit path, that is. Oh. I was gonna say somebody got really caught, but no. It was just someone breaking it, and yeah. Anyways, moving on. I guess. I don't know. I'm sleepy. Chipmunk. Or baby squirrel over there. Oh. Chickadee. I know what would make this video really awesome, at least to me. Coming across a couple deer, or even just one. That would be cool. Have all those geese, pairs, then find a deer or two, maybe even mama. Mama is a doe that every year she has twins. No matter what it's like, she has twins. What is that? It's really shiny. Whoop! Come here! Yes! Got a snaky. Let's see. You a fighter? Or what? Where's your head? Where's that? Okay. Nope. You don't seem to be a fighter. So, let's move this way. Nope. Yep, this way. This way. Nope. got it by its tail. Let's see. What if I pet you? Oh, gotta be careful. Because even though... Oof! No, wrong way, silly. Wrong way. Come back this way. Wait, did you just open your mouth at me? Oh, yeah. Now you're being a feisty baby. Aww! Well, that was adorable. But now I gotta pin your head. That is... If you let me... Whoop. Back. Whoop. Back. Nope. Okay. This is from here. Whoop. Gotcha. Woohoo! This is hard work with these long things. Let's see. Oof. I want to pick you up. So, I need something to... Come on. This way. This... Whoa! Yeah. Come on back. Whoop. Nope. Don't want to hurt you, baby. Come on, baby. This way. Okay. Whoop. Sorry. Just trying to get you... Well, sorry. Let's try baking this a bit. Whoops. Sorry. Like this way. Come on, baby. Whoop. That wasn't right. Oh, no. Going the right way. Yeah, that's nice and all, but... Sheesh. Just stick it out of the way. Gotcha. Uh-oh. There. To hurt you. I got you by your neck. I'm dropping my phone. Come on. Okay. Off the tail. Gentle now. Gentle. Oh. Whoa. Almost fell. Whew. Fortunately, kind of got the head inside my fingers, but look at that. Look at that beauty. Okay. So, where's the closest bench? I don't know. Anyways. Huh? Oh. Yeah, that. If I remember correctly, the closest bench is that way. But I don't want to carry the snaky like this with 3 fingers. 2 is much better. So, I'm going to set my phone down here. Sorry for the weird look, everyone. Oh. You's okay. Yeah. Oh, you're not squirting. Yay, thank you. You're kind of stinky, though. Ay. You snakes. Always surprising. But anyways, yeah. Got it somewhat better. But yeah. Let's get to the bench. First snake of the season. I love snakes. So, human coming. I'm gonna put my finger over this real quick. Hi. Okay. Past human. Come on, Sneaky. Nope. That's trying to help you out here. Come on. No, you can't do that. Oh no, 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 no. Uncurl, uncurl.